Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. We're out here by a busy road, so it's a little noisy. If you have any questions on today's coach or any other coaches, please give me a call, 208-250-8625. Today we're going to take a look at this 2019 Class C Thor Outlaw Toy Hauler. Great coach. Take all your toys with you. Let's go inside and take a look around. Okay, back here in the garage. Kind of a rainy, nasty day here in Oregon. I know that's hard to believe, but this is the back door on the toy hauler. This will go down to load your toys into here. It also has a patio that'll go out straight. Great coach. It's got a drop-down bed right here. Kind of meet all your needs. You put bicycles, a four-wheeler, whatever else will fit in here. Got some storage up here, got an extra air conditioner, TV, got a little tool rack over here, stereo in the back, all your tie downs in the floor, good strong tough floor. Class C motorhome, it's 29-footer, great little coach. If we move out of the garage area, we got some storage here, got places to hang things. More storage down below. Over here's our control panel, real simple and easy. It's a one-slide coach. Right here's our bathroom. Let me get out of the way. You can see the vanity. You got plenty of storage up above and down below. As we move into the kitchen, you got a convection microwave, 3-burner stove, plenty of storage here. Spot for a garbage can, one big stainless steel sink. Got plenty of light right here above. Can never have too much storage. Across from here we got another TV right here. Refrigerator, 2-door. Big storage cupboard underneath there. Sliding drawer. Got a couch on this side. Going to turn into a bed. More storage up above, plenty of lights. Okay, on the other side, we've got another couch, and there's tables that plug into the floor here. More sleeping up above here, big TV. Okay, cockpit. You got power mirrors, you got side cameras, backup cameras, heated mirrors. LED lights underneath the awning, power awning, push one button. You got frameless windows that swing out, keep the rain out. Storage under here. Storage compartment. Holds up for you so you don't bang yourself in the head. Okay. Outside TV. You got your potable water. If you're out in the middle of nowhere and there's actually some clean water, you can fill up your tank right there. More storage here. But remember folks, you got a garage. You got more storage than most other coaches all put together. Propane quick coupler for a barbecue. If you guys go over to the dunes or if you go hunting, this is a great rig. Got some nice lights in the back. You got a patio awning in the back that comes out. Here's your big doors. Already hooked up to tow. You got vents on the garage at both sides. Power cord, more storage. Gas tank. Sewer hose storage. City water connection. Cable. Outdoor shower. Santa flush. On-demand water heater. Okay? Here's your slide. We're a little compact here. Go through, you got some more storage, and you've got your propane and your generator. Folks, if you have any questions about this awesome toy hauler, this Outlaw, please give me a call. 29 feet, great rig. Again, Ken.Quick. They call me Coach. Just call up and ask for the teacher and coach from Idaho, and that'll get you to me. You guys have a great day. Thanks for letting me show you around.